Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to MAHSA University's Faculty of Health Sciences webinar series. So, today we are joined here to have a briefing about the future of health sciences, the rewarding careers in health science programs, especially in MAHSA University. So, let's join together to get some insight about the programs offered in MAHSA University and also the future prospects as well as the careers in the field of Faculty of Health Sciences, especially the programs offered in MAHSA University. Thanks for joining for this webinar session on a Saturday afternoon. Let's begin now. As you know, Dr. Abdul Kalam said, every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. So every successful people in the world, they have touched something called learning. Without learning, we are not here. So when you say learning, learning is lifelong learning. Learning is not just one-time job. Because of the changes every day we are facing, updates we are getting, so we have to upgrade ourselves in the process of learning. If you are not upgrading ourselves, then you can see people are moving further, moving faster, and you are still in the same place. So there is more competition. So, to move faster, to move together with everyone, to get a good future, to get a rewarding career, we have to move further in the learning process. So, we need to fulfill the continuous education learning pathway to achieve a successful learning in everyone's life. Let's join together now to explore what are the rewarding careers in the field of health sciences. So, this webinar will mainly focus on three major health science programs offered in MAHSA University under the Faculty of Health Sciences. Number one is physiotherapy, number two is environmental health and safety, and number three is medical imaging. As you know, careers in health sciences can be a satisfying choice for students who love helping others and who are interested in science, medicine, and technology. Why we are saying technology? We are living in a technological world where everything is changing for every second. Not every year, not every month, every second there is a change. There is an update. When you buy a phone, the software need to be updated every weekly. So like that, there are changes coming on in everything in life, and we also have to change. We also have to move further. So that is a complete learning experience. Let's find out how the Faculty of Health Sciences and the MAHSA University can prepare you for a rewarding career in health sciences. Welcome to our Faculty of Health Sciences. We have three departments in the field of health sciences in our faculty. Number one is School of Physiotherapy. Number two, Department of Environmental Health. And number three is Department of Medical Imaging. So, this particular session is mainly for the diploma graduates who want to continue their journey, who want to continue their career in the field of their specialization in the field of physiotherapy, environmental health, and medical imaging. As I told you just now, we have to move further because there is more competition. When you complete your diploma, okay, and when one of your friend is moving further for a degree, but you stay with the diploma, then there is a competition. Okay, so that your friend will become a competitor for you when you want to go to the next level. So when they apply for the job and they have the priority, they have more qualification, they have higher qualification, but you stay with your diploma and you are not uh, equal to a degree level or higher level. So the chances of recruitment, chances of getting a job will be lesser compared to a friend who already completed a degree qualification. So, as I said, it's a competitive world and we should be in the competition as well. So, we have to move further as well to get a degree qualification in order to proceed further. This is not just only a qualification, it is also upgrading our knowledge and skills, especially the transferable skills related to the major programs and the major field of study. So let's continue with this session for each department, each specialization, okay, what kind of degree we have and how the program will be and how will be the future, how the future will be a rewarding future for you. All right. Now we move on to the first program under the School of Physiotherapy, or Bachelor of Physiotherapy Horns. So the Bachelor of Physiotherapy Horns is a 4 years program, and those completed diploma, it will be only a 3 years program. So those students who had completed your diploma or you are on the journey of continuing to your bachelor in order to fulfill the learning pathway, this is more suitable for you because the program is only 3 years. Now there is some special, very good news for all the graduates of diploma. Now MQA allows for 50% of credit exemption. Previously it was lesser, but now you can get exemption of 50 percentage, half of the credit hours in a degree program. So it is easier for you, you pay less, and also you complete the degree in the shortest duration of time. So you still can be in the competition with your degree qualification. Okay, so this is our entry requirement for the Bachelor of Physiotherapy, especially for diploma students. When you complete diploma already with a minimum CGPA of 2.75, you are qualified. You are qualified to continue your Bachelor of Physiotherapy. All right. So those students not having a diploma and they have to fulfill other requirements. All right. So what are the specialization in physiotherapy? Why I'm talking about the specialization in physiotherapy here is when you go to the next level from a diploma to degree level, so we have special modules for you. We have specialized content under each modules. We have specialized lecturers, facilitators to teach you and guide you when you compare to the diploma program. The diploma, what you learn is an outline of all the areas, but the major content, the specializations, the skills, evidence-based practice, everything will be learned through your degree program. You can see here in physiotherapy, we have neurology, musculoskeletal, and cardiorespiratory. Physiotherapy is not just only musculoskeletal, it is inclusive of cardiorespiratory rehabilitation as well as neurological rehabilitation. For example, conditions like spinal cord injury, stroke, and any other neurological disorders. The role of physiotherapy is very important. We also have subspecialties. We have sports physiotherapy. We have the therapists who are specialized in sports skills like assessing and managing the sports injuries, pediatrics, managing the kids with any kind of developmental disorders, geriatric, special care for the elderly population because they are also inclusive of us. So we need to provide a special care to the geriatric population. Men's health and women's health. We cannot just leave men or women alone. We have a special physiotherapy approach for conditions related to women's health as well as men's health. We also train our students in vestibular rehabilitation, occupational health. We also train our students in amputee rehabilitation, and also we have some modules on veterinary physiotherapy. Because in future, when the students are in the rewarding career, which is the objective of this session, the students should be specialized in all the areas. All right. So this is the program structure of Bachelor of Physiotherapy in MAHSA University under the Faculty of Health Sciences. Students who have completed their diploma in physiotherapy will progress directly to year 2, and then they have year 3 and year 4. All right. So what is the career opportunity? What are the rewarding careers for students who have completed their degree qualification compared to diploma? So they have higher level of knowledge and skills, higher level of experience, higher level of application of techniques, since they have experience by attending the lectures and hands-on skills from specialized lecturers. We have a master degree qualified and experienced clinically and academically lecturers to teach musculoskeletal subjects, neurology subjects, and also cardiorespiratory subjects. We have qualified lecturers to teach women's health, pediatrics, geriatrics, and other special areas in physiotherapy. So, with this higher level of knowledge and skills they have developed through the degree program, they are really equipped with higher level of knowledge and skills. With this, they can practice in the hospitals, they can practice in the sports physiotherapy settings, and they can practice in the pediatric setting, nursing homes, elderly homes. We are getting a lot of offer from the elderly homes to get physiotherapists. They need more physiotherapists because there is more awareness on the role of physiotherapy in elderly population. So we also have physiotherapists working in the research. That the research area is now well developed in the field of health sciences. So the graduates can be a part of the research team in terms of data collection and as well as performing the research itself. And also, you can be a lecturer. You can be a lecturer in the field of physiotherapy when you have completed your bachelor degree. Okay. Now we move on to Bachelor of Medical Imaging. The second specialty in health sciences in MAHSA we have is Bachelor of Medical Imaging. Those students who had completed a diploma in medical imaging, you can continue your journey in your career to complete the degree through the 3-year program. But if you get more credit exemption, as I told you just now, MQA approved for 50% of credit exemption. What happens is you will get more credits, more subjects exempted, and the duration of the degree will be shortened because you got exemption already. Whereas those who are not having a diploma qualification, still no need to worry. You can enroll into the 4 years program. You can have a complete experience of the degree in medical imaging. All right. So this is a program structure for medical imaging, what the students are going to learn in each year. So they also will be learning the specialization subjects in medical imaging. That includes the radiation related subjects. It includes the image evaluation. It includes mammography, ultrasonography, radionuclide imagings, okay, and also the medical imaging procedures, CT scans, MRI scans, all the special techniques will be learned, will be experienced during this duration of the program. Meanwhile, the students will be posted in other areas in the labs and the hospitals to get more exposure on application of these techniques in order to develop the psychomotor skills, which is very important for the bachelor students because they are going to apply whatever they have learned. So we will be sending the students to high level settings to learn and apply all these skills. What happened to the future? The rewarding career opportunity for medical imaging graduates. They can be successful radiographers, diagnostic, in image quality, as well as in therapeutic areas of medical imaging. They can be a medical application specialist. They can be a researcher. They can be a part of the research team. They will be a qualified clinical instructors. They can be a lecturers in the field of medical imaging. So the area is really more wider when you have a degree qualification compared to a diploma qualification. So it is better to continue to degree when you have completed your diploma. All right. Now we move on to the third specialization, which I mentioned to you at the beginning of the presentation, which is Bachelor of Environmental Health and Safety Honors. So this program is also offered as 4 years for full-time students and 3 years for those who have completed their diploma in environmental health and safety. All right. So these are the modules offered in different years of the Bachelor of Environmental Health and Safety program. Students who already completed their diploma in environmental health, they will move on to year 2, okay, also year 3 and year 4. Again, you will be getting the credit exemption, about 50% from your diploma. So the duration will be shortened and the number of modules also will be lesser when you go with the credit exemption. You will be learning the higher level modules like first aids, toxicology, occupational health and safety, industrial hygiene, industrial ergonomics, most importantly, the environmental health risk assessment, wastewater management and safety of toxic substances. All right, so these are the very needy and very important, very relevant modules of environmental health and safety. So the role of the uh, students who are qualified, the graduates from the environmental health and safety, not only they are going to help themselves, they are also going to help the society and the community and the whole nation and the whole world actually. They have a greater role in preventing a lot of infections, greater role in improving the health and well-being of the people across the world. So that includes the climate change as well, all in the part of our daily living. So the role of environmental health and safety specialist is really important for everyone. So it is really helping everyone, serving everyone who is surrounding us. So students who have completed this program will be a satisfying and a rewarding career in many areas. So some of the career opportunity for environmental health and safety graduates will be the officer in the environmental health and safety, industrial hygiene officer, industrial safety officer, environmental consultant, also can be the instructors, lecturers, hygiene manager in food manufacturing industry, consultants in environmental health and safety, and also environmental health and safety officer in industry sectors. So this is only an outline of what are the future careers for the specialist of environmental health and safety, but it's a very wider, actually, they have a very good scope of future. They have multiple areas to apply their knowledge and skills, which they have learned through the degree program. All right. I hope you understood. You got some insight about the three major health sciences programs, which gives an opportunity to serve to the people as well as to get a rewarding career for yourself after completing your diploma. What we are doing in MAHSA, we have a very high level of teaching and learning experience we are offering to the students. As I told you just now, all these modules are taught by experienced and specialized lecturers. And we also have very interactive teaching laboratories. We have higher level state of art laboratories with technology as well. We also send the students to clinical and industrial placements where the student gain more experience with more advanced equipments and more opportunity to apply what they have learned in academic areas. And moreover, our programs are accredited by Malaysian Qualifying Agency as well as the Ministry of Higher Education and the Ministry of Health. Wow, that is a good news for Bachelor of Physiotherapy graduates. If you enroll in MAHSA, those graduating from MAHSA University, they will get a dual award in the field of physiotherapy from Anglia Ruskin University from United Kingdom. Why they get a degree from United Kingdom when they're studying in MAHSA University? Because the program we are running in MAHSA is benchmarked and approved by Anglia Ruskin University. So this is to enhance the quality of the program. Our program is approved and recognized by United Kingdom and also benchmarked by the South Australian University and other national universities as well. So the students will get a very good experience, very higher level of learning, higher level of skills, which is not only required nationally but also across the globe. So you will get a double award when you complete your Bachelor of Physiotherapy in MAHSA. Of course, we offer a higher level of teaching and learning using the case studies, problem-based learnings, and the experience-based learnings in MAHSA University. Some of you may have a question. I'm completed my diploma already. I want to work for some time, or I want to continue to work because of my commitments. Even there is a saying, once students complete their diploma, they go into a self-protection mode. It's like survival mode. They call it a survival mode, which means for time being, I want to work and I will think about the further studies, continuing education, or the rewarding career future. Not now. They will have that kind of mindset. I just want to work first. So this is a survival mode to fulfill our needs. However, what happened? As I told you at the beginning of the session, your friends are in the competition. Those completed the diploma with you, they already enrolled into the degree, but you are staying with the diploma only. So later there is a competition. So higher chances for your friends to be selected and given the job opportunity. So you may have a question, but I still want to work. No worries. There are flexible learning modes available at MAHSA University. You also can enroll as an open distance learning student. Apart from the conventional mode of studying full time, you can also learn through the ODL mode, which we call it as open distance learning mode. All the three health science programs which we had explored just now, including the physiotherapy, medical imaging, and environmental health, you can learn through open distance learning, which is a approved program running by MAHSA University. We also offer these programs through a special mode called as master classes. This is also a new product from MQA. The MAHSA is already approved to conduct the programs is through the masterclass mode. We also call it as a micro credential. Micro credential means each and every module you can study independently, you can study separately. If you think you cannot enroll directly into the program to study all the subjects in the same semester, you can learn one by one through the micro credential mode. Okay, if you want more information about the open distance learning and micro credential mode, of course you can contact us. The contact details are in the last slide. Also we put in the description how to contact us. You also can contact through the Faculty of Health Sciences social media for further information. Collaborations and affiliations. Of course, as I told you, our programs are also affiliated and collaborated with other international partners. Student experience. We don't put our students only in assignments and exams, and they have a very good experience of doing a lot of activities academically and non-academically. We have association in all the three programs, and they will be conducting a lot of activities every semester. Student welfare. This is very important, especially the post-COVID life. The student welfare is very much given attention by the MAHSA University and our faculty. So we also have a special mentor-mentee session, mentor-mentee arrangement, where there is a mentor will be appointed for you. Any kind of guidance and support, you can always refer to the mentor. The mentor will guide you. The mentor is like a critical friend. They are always available and they always guide you in the right direction. You don't need to feel you are alone or nobody is there to guide you or help you. Anything, just one text or one call or just walk in to a department, our mentors will guide you and help you throughout the program. And we also have a Kawan program. Okay, so you're not alone again. You have friends here. Okay, they will guide you. Okay, so we have a senior Kawan who will be assigned and remain close contact with the new Kawan regularly. So this is to improve the integration of your academic performance, okay, for internalization of the campus and the student life and to strengthen the partnership. Okay, there is a Kawan program. Special training master classes, special training master classes. Along with what you are studying in the semesters in the program, we also provide some certification related master classes in all the three programs in the degree level. When you complete this master class, which you can use it in future for any credit exemption as well as for your own practice. All right, these are the special certification master classes. You will be completing all the master classes before you complete the program. Pride program. Oh, additionally, we are not just leaving you alone. We have more support from the university side because you are entering into the degree program and suddenly there are a higher level of assignment writing. So you need some guidance on how to write the assignments, how to do a referencing. No need to worry. We have a pride program to guide you to improve your academic performance. Okay, you will be trying to become a specialist in Microsoft PowerPoint, or Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. Okay, this is a passport for our students to excel in their academic career. This is our Pride program. All the students will be entitled for the Pride program automatically when you study in MAHSA. We also have a student mobility program. Student mobility program is something where the student can be sent to other universities, or student from other university can be coming to MAHSA University. It's like a student exchange as well as student mobility, where you can go there, you can come here to get more experience of what we are doing here, what is our way of teaching, what is our way of learning, how we treat our patients here, how is the culture here. All those academic and non-academic experience can be gained through the student mobility programs. So now we have restarted, after the COVID, we have restarted the student mobility program. Our students have started going to other university in other countries to get more experience. Once they will completing the mobility program, and they will come back and share the experience with other students here. Similarly, other students from universities across the different countries also will visit MAHSA University to get more experience. So these are the some of the student mobility programs which our students have completed previously. And currently also they are doing some student mobility program in some of the universities in Thailand, including the Chiang Mai University. Yes, of course, it's time to be more. It's time to be more. I repeat, it's time to be more, because just a diploma is not enough. We, as I told you at the beginning, we have to put our shoes in the competition. Otherwise, you are behind than others. Your friends will take over you and they will be in the top. So, we need to continue our education. We need to continue our journey in a well reputed institution with a very good teaching facilities, with a very good learning experience, to be in a higher level, to complete the pathway of academic programs. So when you see here, we are offering all these programs, pathways, Pride, as I told you just now, masterclass, mobility program, professional certificates, all these things can be applicable for all the students to improve your skills so you can proceed until a PhD level from a diploma level. And those who have any issue in enrolling as a diploma student, we also have a certificate courses, certificate in health science, certificate in public health assistance. With this, you can proceed to a diploma level and then you can go to the degree programs. All right. So you can use this opportunity to enroll into a right rewarding program in order to get a rewarding career for your future. All right. So any questions anytime, any feedback, or you want to visit our laboratories, visit the facilities, visit the university, please contact us through our faculty social media, which is displayed here. All right. If you have any questions, kindly type the questions. There is a Google form also given here. Kindly fill up the Google form for any further clarification or any feedback, and also to get the e-certificates. Please refer to the chat box here for the link for the e-certificate or any further enquiry related to the programs which I have highlighted just now. All right. So if you have any questions, you can type the questions. All right. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time to listening to this session on how to enroll into a rewarding career for a rewarding future. All right. So if you have any clarifications, any information you need regarding the programs which I have highlighted, you're always welcome to contact us through the social media pages given, or you can call us directly to MAHSA University. We will arrange special orientation and also the campus visit and facility visit on any days in a week. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. See you again. Bye bye.